If you want your spreadsheet to look cleaner and more professional, one of the easiest formatting tricks in LibreOffice Calc is centering text across multiple cells. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to center text across cells in LibreOffice Calc step by step, so you can make titles, headings, and labels look much better in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from the home screen, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. You can also open an existing spreadsheet if you already have one you want to format. Once your sheet is open, find the row or area where you want your text to appear. Now select the cells across which you want the text centered. This is important because the centering will apply to the range you highlight. For example, if you want a heading to span several columns, click and drag across those cells so they're all selected together. Make sure you choose the full area you want the text to cover before moving to the next step. With the cell selected, go up to the top menu and click Format. This opens the formatting options for your spreadsheet. From there, look for Merge Cells. This is the feature that combines the selected cells into one layout area so your text can be centered neatly across them. Next, click Merge and Center Cells. LibreOffice Calc will merge the selected cells and place your text in the center of that merged area. This gives you a clean, balanced look that works really well for titles, section headers, and table labels. If your text was already typed in one of the selected cells, it should now appear centered across the merged range. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know where the merge and center option is, you can use it anytime you want to make your spreadsheet look more organized and easier to read. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next LibreOffice Calc tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.